Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, you guys ready for some prizes today? All right. So, first I wanted to talk about the pencils and just give you some updates on that, and then we'll get to the prize drawing. Okay, so, well, first the prizes today. You giving away a Color book. I don't know if this is the one that they're going to send. I don't know which ones they're going to send. They just donating 6. I just wanted to show you. This is their new one. I just got it in the mail, and I'll do a demo and stuff for it. It's all antiques. It's really cute. Just a fast flip through look, see what's in it. But as usual, they outdid themselves. Same great paper, same quality cover as always. Their sets are pretty uniform every time. You can always expect good quality. So that's one prize. We're going to be giving away a Starjoy pencil set, and like I said in my last video, there's going to be the secret prize, and that's going to be something that is going to come wrapped. So I can't tell you what's going to be in the box. You'll just be surprised. It's Christmas. Okay, so now the pencils. Things that I wanted to tell you about the pencils. One person reported one pencil that had some green in it. It was the yellow ochre, and it had a bit of green in it when you... Now, I don't have one that's like it. Wish I did, honestly. When you color and using the yellow ochre, there was a streak of green in it. But it wasn't just like a little thing that you can ding out with because that happens too. Sometimes there's a smidge of something from one color, not just with my set, with any set, and you just gotta scribble it off. This was pretty much a dual colored pencil, which I think was really cool because it was like a grass green with a yellow ochre, and those two blend fantastically together for ground cover. In fact, I blend those two colors out together all the time. So she was very lucky, but it is, quote, quote, a defect. And we will be sending her, of course, a new pencil, but she's really kind of lucky. I may have said it already, but I don't remember if it actually made it to the film or the cutting room floor. The first 100 pencils are in the box backwards. Not that the pencil is backwards, it just goes from right to left instead of left to right. And that's because Andy was Chinese and we're not. So they may appreciate it in Israel because they read like that also. But if you're European, you're used to reading from left to right. It was during the time when my husband was really super sick. Andy had sent me, a message urgent and asking me how should I put it in the box. And unfortunately, I did not get to my mail in time because I was a little bit busy. So by the time I got to the mail, they had already started packing production, and they had to make a guess, and they guessed wrong. So they stopped after they did about 100 sets, because it wasn't all that long until I got back to him. It just, my schedule did not coincide with his. He would have held off those boxes, but I said send them because they're the same pencils as I have in the reveal. And you have video now of your pencil sets, your exact pencil, like you could have been watching your pencil being made. I thought that was kind of cool. So it's like knowledge for you that you have within the first 100 sets of a product that was newly produced. So I thought that was kind of cool and an indicator of where your pencil was. So I told him to leave it and send it out. So all it involves is readjusting your pencils, and you do that anyways when you color. So that's the story on that. It's not a mistake. It was just, just go with it and they'll have special pencils. If you have a problem with the pencils that I can help you with, please write to me. My email address is howtoadultcolor@gmail.com, and I have no life, so I always answer my mail. If you have a problem with Amazon, like your package never showed up or something like that, then go through Andy and Amazon. I have no ties to that. I can only help you with the pencils. And Andy is really striving for 100% customer satisfaction. We are no pencil left behind type of deal. So let me know. And if you get your pencils and you love them, let me know. If you get your pencils and you absolutely hate them, let me know. This is the first batch that we've put out of these, so if there's anything wrong, we want to know, so that in the future when we're putting these pencils out, because these pencils will be manufactured again and again, we can make changes if there's a problem. And I believe that one of the red peach, Andy may have missed the word red. I may have missed it on the pencil. I have to go back and check it, but the word red may be missing. So you'll get peach and peach, but it's really a light peach, a red peach, and a yellow peach. And when you put them together, you can make a peach. I picked out the colors. So that's that. So let's get to the drawing.
Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. You give my life color, color. Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. You give my life color, color, yeah. Blue is what you do. You give me yellow eyes and orange skies. Red, I'm seeing red. I'm riding violet waves away from yesterday. Feels like I've known you for a lifetime. Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. You give my life color, color. Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. You give my life color, color, yeah.
Okay, we have a lot in here. Well over 1,000. So I'm going to pick out 3. 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3 here. Okay, so out of the 3, I'm going to pick one. This is going to be for the Color It book. Number 814. Okay, I'm going to put these 2 aside. Now I'm going to go find number 814, and we'll find out from all of these papers. I'll find out who it is. Okay. Almost there. I'm at 760. 811, 813. What number is it? Okay, I've got a winner. And 814 is Tina, Tinnia Phillips. You just won a colored book. Okay, let me put this back. I gotta keep them in order. That should be it. Okay, so now we have 2. Oops. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Oh. Okay. We have 729. That leaves this for the pencils. This is the mystery gift. The one that will come wrapped. Okay? Got to put it under your tree. Can't open it until Christmas. No, I'm just joking, because I would never do that. I would open it immediately. Oh, sure I would not. Okay, so I'm looking for 729. Those are the 800s. 719, 726. 8. Okay. Sick Girl. 729. Okay, 729 is Sick Girl. Okay, the last one for the drawing. Okay. Number 1189. Now that's not 189 because I had to recycle some like the paper into when I got into the thousands. So I have 1189. Let's find out who it is. Okay, I've got, for the pencils, Linda Pau, P-A-U, Linda. And that's 1189 and 1189. Okay, guys, contact me at my email address, and that's howtoadultcolor@gmail.com. And get me your addresses, and I will get these prizes out to you. We're going to start another contest, and like, comment, and subscribe below this video, and drawing will be next Sunday. So I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. You give my life color, color. Give my life